Business owner ka pero bobo ka sa math? Okey lang 'yan. 'Pag may negosyo ka, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan yung numbers. Siyempre, may invoicing, numbers 'yan. Tax, numbers 'yan. Payroll, numbers din 'yan. At siyempre accounting, ang daming numbers diyan. Eh, halos kahit sino naman tanungin mo, ang laging sasabihin nila, "Naku, bobo ako sa math." Kaya 'pag nagkanegosyo na, business owners always have the tendency to ignore the numbers kasi hindi tayo komportable to see them. Pero honestly, hindi naman kasi talaga yung numbers yung importante diyan, eh. The most important thing that you must never ignore as a business owner is understanding the story behind the numbers. Kaya importante na may accountant kang kausap kasi accountants are trained to interpret the story behind each number generated by your business. At para magawa niya yon, kailangan kumpleto yung data in real time so you can act immediately according to what the numbers tell you about what you do. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.